Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Uba AL hak umentri ka BJP na penthorum kra, habakran sigilat pathay khubor hak santare gujliyo araja arpun rio halor ka jingpen kre ka party na kabenta ka election MP siteng samoy, Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ulaong basyan ansapen banano yaw kurtong. Shu uba hak ulaong bagidan barok Khyndai Ngut ki bapan tiket na ka party ban Ïakhun Khyndai ka party kan Shillong ban Jied yaw Kynsai tam na padang jongki.
So when will the party come?
We have 9 contenders who has already applied for tickets. So we have not zeroed down. So we'll be sitting in maybe next week sometime. So we have to decide now because the time is running short. We have to decide now who will be our BJP by-election candidate for the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency for this by-election. So definitely we are going to decide very soon. See, anybody can apply. Once he will join the BJP, definitely we should welcome him to the BJP, and we the party will see who will be the fittest candidate for the for winnable candidate for the BJP for the Shillong bypass parliamentary seats.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak, ka jing im bakam bhak, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.